This is recording and this is live.
Oh, this is recording.
Yeah, now you are on camera.
You are on.
This is
First talk and then I talk. You want to move it a little bit this side?
Om Gananandva Ganapatagam Havamahe Kavim Kavinam Vavastravastamam Charajam Brahmanam Brahmanaspatara Shrunavanotibhisri Dasadanam Radevi Saraswati Vaje Virvajanimati Dhinam Vitriyavado Guru Brahma Guru Vishnu Guru Devo Maheshwara Guru Sakshat Parabrahma Tasmai Shri Gurave Namaha प्रतिपत्तये जगतः पितरौ वन्दे पार्वती परमेश्वरौ ॐ भद्रं कर्णेभिः शृणुयाम देवाः पश्येमाक्षभिर्यजत्राः स्थिरैरङ्गैः सुष्ठुवागुंसस्तनूभिः विसेवदेवहिरण्यदायुः स्वस्ति न इन्द्रो वृद्धश्रवाः स्वस्ति नः पूषा विश्ववेदाः स्वस्ति नस्तार्क्ष्यो वरिष्ठनेमिः स्वस्ति नो बृहस्पतिर्दधातु ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः चिन्नो मित्रस्यं वरुणः चन्द्रो बृहस्पतिः विष्णुरक्रमः नमो ब्रह्मणे नमस्ते वायो त्वमेव प्रत्यक्षं ब्रह्मासि त्वमेव प्रत्यक्षं ब्रह्म वदिष्यामि वदिष्यामि सत्यं वदिष्यामि तन्मामवद तद्भक्तारमवद अवतु माम् अवतभक्तारम् ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः सहनाववतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै शांतिरस्तु सर्वेषां सकल जनानां सकल प्रपंच देशानां समस्त रोगबाधानिवृत्ति द्वारा सकल जनानां संपूर्ण आयुष्यावृद्धि द्वारा सकल अपमृत्यु दोष परिहार द्वारा संपूर्ण शरीर आरोग्यदा सिद्धि द्वारा सुख जीवन सिद्धिरस्ति महान्तो न गृह्णन्तु
कोटि ब्रह्मांड नायक राजाधिराज योगिराज श्री सच्चिदानंद साईनाथ महाराज की जय। श्री गुरुभ्यो नमः। On behalf of Sri Sai Baba Temple of Greater Cincinnati, we are pleased, we are honored, and we are blessed to associate with Seva International. They are here with us today. They started a great cause, it's Help India. As you all know, second wave India is devastating and hitting hard. So, as you see, many hospitals running short of medical supplies, oxygen concentrators, and also reaching out to the orphanage for food and other medical supplies. So, we are collaborating with the Seva International today. So, on behalf of our temple, we are donating to the cause. So we are proud to say we are giving 13,500 from our Baba Temple. So thank you for all the sponsors, donors for this great cause. So we are looking forward to support more and more in coming days. So please help support this great cause. On behalf of our temple, so we are honoring our check to the Shivaji Shivamishra. Thank you. Thanks. we request Shivaji to say a few words.
Thank you, Bhattaji and Prasadji for connecting with Seva. My name is Shiv Mishra. I live in Columbus and represent Seva local chapter at Columbus. I have 2 more local Karyakartas here. They have joined me here, and in future they will be the local contact here. Just 2 words about Seva, what we are, what we do. It's not hidden, people know across the globe now, because we have been always on the forefront whenever such humanitarian need arise across the globe, whether it is India, it is US, any part of the world. If we have our presence, we try our best to go on the ground and help those who are impacted. Talking about the current mission that we have taken is very critical, because we all feel the same pain that you all might be feeling from your near and dear ones in India. We here, the Central Committee and the Seva volunteers, day and night, almost 300 plus volunteers day and night. We are thinking, we are working, and we are trying to meet all our donors' expectation to ensure that the help that we are talking about, oxygen concentrators and some more medical materials, some packets, some food items, gets distributed on the ground on timely fashion and with the credibility intact. So, thinking about those who are impacted in India, we have also to think about the frontline workers, doctors, nurses, and then police department, as well as these Seva Karyakartas. They are coming from very middle class background, and they face the same challenge as our nurses and doctors. So we have to think about them and the complexity on the ground, and such a huge pouring support. Almost I believe 90 to 100K people have donated on Facebook itself, around 6.some million already reached. So it's a great trust in Seva that has come from overall Indian diaspora, and as well as some more Indians and other community members are also donating and trying to see what we can do. So you might have seen latest update is that by this time probably the 2,184 oxygen concentrators might have reached to 16 states and 21 nodal points. And this will include the most infected areas, states and cities. So you may have many questions in your mind that, hey, whether can I help my own relatives, my own people, they might be suffering there. We have the same feeling. We have also the same relatives and need there. But since this is a work that has to go in an institutional way, it is tough to kind of get the service on individual basis, which is the question that most of the people ask. But we don't deny. We agree with that request, but based on the complexity, situations, and the delivery, all that system, it's tough to kind of talk on that point and honor that. But you don't deny that, if capacity and situation improves in future, we will see. So those few words, I would say that it's an honor to kind of, for me to come here. Maybe it was written in my luck that I feel lucky and blessed to be part of this whole family, and in future looking forward to continue the same. Really blessed, really thankful. This is an example that is being set across the country here. Right? There are other temples, other institutions who are also collaborating and cooperating, other organizations. They are also moving forward, but this initiative here in Ohio is, I would say, first to step up and come and join hands with Seva and channelize your support with a trusted partner. So very blessed. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.
It's okay.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you, Mr. Thank you. Thank you to all the donors for helping us and help our own people right back in our country. This is a moment where we can really show our support. And once again, my heartfelt thanks to every donor. And my appeal will be to keep continue your donations. We will collate all the donations every 2 weeks or maybe a month, and then write checks back to Seva. So this is just the first check which Vattugalu on the behalf of temple as a chairman is handing over to Seva. But this is the first step, first check and the first step. So we will need your support more and more so that we can continue this and help people in India. Thank you so much, Sai Ram.
Thank you. Sai Ram.